May's Phonics Workbook Series. Video lecture number 13. Read, color, read, color, read, color. Man, man, man. Fan, fan, fan. Pan, pan, pan. Van, van, van. Video lecture number 14. Circle, color, circle, color, circle, color. Circle and color the object which has similar sound. Circle and color the object which has similar sound. Tell the students to look at the first picture and find out the similar picture in this line. This is man. Is it man? No. Is it man? Yes, it is already circled. What is this? Fan. This is fan. Is it fan? Yes. Now circle the fan. What is this? Van. This is van. Is it van? No. Is it van? No. Is it van? Yes. Now circle the van. What is this? Pan. This is pan. Is it pan? No. Is it pan? Yes. Now circle the pan. Video lecture number 15. Read, match, color. Read, match, color. Read, match, color. This is the name of van. This is the name of van. Now find out the van. Is it van? No. Is it van? No. Is it van? Yes. This is van. Now match the name of van with its picture. This is the name of pan. Now find out the picture of pan. Is it pan? No. Is it pan? No. Is it pan? No. Is it pan? Yes. Now match the name of pan with its picture. This is the name of man. This is the name of man. Now find out the picture of man. This is man. No. This is man. Yes. This is the picture of man. Now match the name of man with its picture. This is the name of fan. Now find out the picture of fan. Is it fan? Yes, this is fan. Now match the name of fan with its picture.